After processing any of the 6 soft serve programs, prepare and install your pint for dispensing. Twist the white base clockwise of the pint until it fully extends to the open position. The soft serve handle unlocks 3 different speeds to dispense your frozen treat. We recommend starting at speed 1 and slowly increasing to 2 or 3 while dispensing. Hold your cone directly under the nozzle and allow the base of the cone to fill with your frozen treat. Then, carefully dispense ice cream and move your hand in a circular motion to achieve that iconic swirl. Occasionally when dispensing, a popping sound made by air bubbles may occur, which is normal. When you're done dispensing, release the soft serve handle, bring the cone directly under the nozzle, and allow the swirl press to stop to create a perfect peak. Get your favorite toppings and enjoy!